Sisindlovu Boya Benyati Amakosi. Great season that was led up front by the great Claudie Lepo. Sadly, that season ends with sadness, where Cedric Kaze and Khalil Ben Yosef leave the Drama Boys. It was a season, a great season, where Aiden McKay rose to his greatness, rose to his prominence. But then the 2026-2027 season finds a newly recruited Thabo Moloisane, who has now joined Kaizer Chiefs, has been released by Stellenbosch. Stellenbosch confirmed that Thabo Moloisane is gone, and it was confirmed by various sources that the likes of Zita Quinikas of this world, there by the defense, they are joined by the great Thabo Moloisane. Thabo Moloisane, one of the best defenders in the South African space. The Claudie Lepos of this world, it is not known if the new coach, whether would it be Pitso Mosimane, would it be Mangoba Mngqithi, of course not Rulani Mokwena from the look of things, so we don't know if it's Benny McCarthy or it's someone who's from the outside of the country. But it seems like they will not have the likes of Claudie Lepo as their striker, because news are that Claudie Lepo might have signed for Rangers in Scotland. Claudie Lepo might have signed somewhere in Casablanca for Raja or Wydad Casablanca. These are not yet confirmed news, but we want to see if Claudie Lepo will be there in this next season. Amakosi.